Number 1, have a go. It means to try or attempt to do something.
I'll have a go at solving the puzzle. I'll have a go at solving the puzzle. She had a go at making sushi. She had a go at making sushi. Let everyone have a go during the meeting. Let everyone have a go during the meeting.
Number 2, have a good knowledge of. It means to be well informed or well versed in a particular subject.
He has a good knowledge of American history. He has a good knowledge of American history. You need to have a good knowledge of the law. You need to have a good knowledge of the law. She has a good knowledge of the software used. She has a good knowledge of the software used.
Number 3, have a good memory. It means to be able to remember information, experiences, or people well.
She has a good memory for faces. She has a good memory for faces. He has a good memory of his childhood. He has a good memory of his childhood. They have a good memory for details. They have a good memory for details.
Number 4, have a good relationship with. It means to maintain a positive and friendly association with someone.
She has a good relationship with her colleagues. She has a good relationship with her colleagues. I have a good relationship with my neighbors. I have a good relationship with my neighbors. He strives to have a good relationship with his students. He strives to have a good relationship with his students.
Number 5, have a good great time. It means to enjoy oneself, to have fun.
They had a great time at the party. They had a great time at the party. I hope you have a good time at the concert. I hope you have a good time at the concert. She had a good time on her vacation. She had a good time on her vacation.